friends, I'm Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to another video. You know, I have not done one of these sit-down type videos in such a long time, and I haven't done a tack haul in such a long time. So today I thought it would be fun to share with you guys this big box of stuff, and let me show you guys what I ordered from Riding Warehouse. We're gonna get into the package in just a minute, but for those of you who don't know, Riding Warehouse is a fantastic place that you can buy all kinds of horse stuff. You can buy grooming supplies, you can buy tack, you can buy supplements. If you are looking for something horse related, you owe it to yourself and to your horse to check out Riding Warehouse's website first, because they have the best prices that I have found, hands down, from any online retailer for horse stuff. So go check them out and let me show you what I got from Riding Warehouse. There's a lot of stuff in here. All right, before I show you guys everything that I got, one of my favorite things that Riding Warehouse does is they include a return UPS label. So in case something that you buy doesn't fit, or you changed your mind and you didn't want it, then all you do is fill out this form, let them know why you didn't want it, if it didn't fit, whatever. And it has to be new or unworn, new, unused. So it's not like the things that I bought in here, if I put them on my horse, I couldn't return them. But every shipment comes with a pre-made UPS label, so that way you can ship it back in case you didn't get what you wanted. Can you see everything in the box? There's a lot of stuff in here. But this is covering up everything else in the box, and this is something I am so excited about. This is a pair of Lemieux Pro Sport support boots, and basically they're sport boots for my horses. And the reason I was so excited is because they are in that lovely plum color. And so far I have the Lemieux plum saddle pad and also the ear bonnet, which is awesome. So I'm going to have a matchy-matchy set now with the boots. And I got these boots in large because they will fit Ethan on his hind legs and they will fit Frisbee on his front legs. And since I'm riding Frisbee right now, I want to have these for him to protect his legs while we're doing a lot of work. And like I said, Riding Warehouse had these for the best price. I did look at Dover's to see if they had them because I had to go to Dover's a while back. They didn't even have them in the store. And then I looked online at Dover's, they didn't sell them there either. Riding Warehouse was the only place I could find these at the best price. And these support boots are really affordable. They were like $48 for like medicine boots, kind of like Professional's Choice, but in a pretty purple plum color. And I got some new horse brushes. And all of the horse brushes I got are by Haas. And Haas is a German brush company that has, from what I've seen, the absolute best brushes. Ooh, that's kind of got some dust on it. These are my favorite brushes to use on my horses. This is the new generation curry comb. It's a little bit flexible and it's really soft. So I'm excited to put those to good use in my tack box for my horses. I've slowly been replacing all of my grooming brushes with these Haas brushes. And this one I'm excited about. This is a rice root brush. So I have a long bristle rice root brush that I really like to use on the horses, but I like these better because it has a hand strap for your hand, and I really like having that on when I'm brushing my horses. It makes it easier for me. And then I also got this brush. This is called a large mane brush in silver. And I like to use this type of brush for flicking off the loose hair on the horses. And it is synthetic, it is washable, so hopefully this brush will last a long time. That's one of the reasons I've been replacing all of my brushes with these Haas brushes, because the Haas brushes that I already have are really durable, they're fantastic, and they just work so well. That's why I decided to get the rest of my collection in these type of brushes. And I got a new tail tamer brush. This is by Professional's Choice. It has these really cool like wavy bristles to it, and I have one of these. It's like a round one, but I really wanted a new one because the bristles are starting to wear out on the round one that I have, and they're starting to fall out. So I found this one, and it was like $7.95. And this brush, or this type of brush with these type of bristles, has lasted the longest for me, and my horses don't lose as much tail hairs when I'm brushing with these wavy bristles. So I'm really excited to have a new tail brush, mane brush, not so much for Ethan because he doesn't have a mane because I cut it all off. But this is a very welcome addition to my grooming routine grooming box. This is a hay net tie ring. So I've recently switched my horses to hay nets, and since it's winter time, I don't have any place in their stalls to hang a hay net. So I bought these so that I can hang the hay net in their stall, and that way it doesn't get wet and they're not out in the cold, and they can enjoy their hay inside their stall. These, for me, this was really affordable, and these are really heavy duty. I'm pretty excited to put these up later today, but they were $5.95, and it even includes the hardware on the back to hang up the tie rings. So it's pretty secure, it's all metal. Ethan will probably challenge this. We'll see how long it lasts. Hopefully it lasts a long time. I think for him what I'm gonna do is actually put a piece of wood onto the wall first, then I'm going to attach the tie ring to the other piece of wood because I don't want him to be able to pull it out of the wall. So that's going to be my afternoon project today. And these are really nice. I hope they last as long as my other ones do. These are hay nets made by Equine Essentials, and they're called the Niblet Small Hole Hay Net. Figure out how to open it. So these are a little bit different than the hay nets that I did get. I have the Shire's hay nets, and those work really well. So this looks pretty nice. This is actually a really soft material. It almost feels like shoelaces. Oh, and this is completely one piece, so I don't have to worry about losing the ends of the hay net when I fill it up. That's actually really nice. We'll see how long that lasts. That's a little bit different than what I have, but my horses have adjusted really well to using the hay nets, and I like it because it slows down their eating and the hay lasts longer. So those are actually really nice. They were really affordable on Riding Warehouse. These were $7.95 if you buy 2 or more. And like I said, the material that it's made out of, it's really soft. It's a little bit softer than the polyester rope type hay nets that I already have. So I'm going to be interested to see how long this hay net will last. But I think I will use this one on the inside of their stalls just because of the way that it's made. It's a little bit different than the other hay nets that I have. But again, $7.95 for a hay net that holds 4 flakes of hay. Not a bad deal at all. And the last thing that I got was a new pair of winter riding boots. And I didn't necessarily get these for riding in the winter, but they are like tall riding boots. They're really nice. I mainly got these because in the winter time it gets so muddy and wet where we live, and we do get a lot of snow. So I need a waterproof boot. And I've had a pair of waterproof boots that have been fantastic, and I've had them for about 5 years, but last winter they started breaking down and my feet started getting wet inside of the boots, so I thought it was time to buy a new pair of boots. And these are made by Horze, the Horze brand. They're really nice. I hope they remain waterproof, but it's got a zipper on the front, which I kind of like. And then it has like a neoprene section, so it's kind of stretchy. We'll find out. but I like the zipper better than the other boots that I had because they had Velcro clasps on them, which weren't horrible, but these are really nice. They have a really nice tread on the bottom. They're supposed to be waterproof. This feels like it's rubber, so I think they will clean up very easily. And you can't see it, but there is a nice fleece liner on the inside of the foot portion, so your foot will stay warm. And it gets cold here in the winter time, and I like to wear my tall boots, number one, for feeding the horses and doing whatever I'm doing outside, but also for like when I'm shoveling our driveway or just hanging out outside. Not that I'm gonna hang out outside in the cold very often because it's cold, but these will keep my feet warm and dry, and maybe I can even ride with them too. We'll have to try them out and find out. All right, so that was my Riding Warehouse tack haul. I think I did pretty good. I got a lot of neat things that I really need and things that I will put to good use. And like I said, Riding Warehouse has the absolute best prices on anything horse related that I want to purchase. So I always go to Riding Warehouse first to see if they have what it is that I'm looking for. And 9 times out of 10, the price is going to be the best at Riding Warehouse. So if you guys haven't checked them out, I'll leave a link down in the description below so you can go check Riding Warehouse out for yourself. Try them out and see what you think. All right, guys, I think that's about enough out of me for today. I haven't done a video like this in a while, and I really wanted to share my latest little tack haul with you, show you some of the things that I got from Riding Warehouse. Hopefully you enjoyed watching that video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see lots of other different DIY projects, product reviews, and now I'm even adding in some different things that you can do around your house, like decorating, organizing, things related to the inside of your house that will help you to make the most of the time that you have with your horse after you've gotten all of your chores done. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.